Dagajing temu ban penkiwi ki samla jo ka penthor constituency ka sam khamti kala rai ban pelong ka football tournament ya ka ba on tip kum ka Independence Cup halor ka phang youth is power uba sam ula pentip ke ka daw bekila shim ya ka rai ban wan ra ekani ka tournament ula batai ru bah ka ni ka tournament on priang hadu andre pu south li ki team ban shim banta
bingi khot ipi akani ka janmit ka dei ba nakaliang ka sam khamti imut ban organize ko ka football tournament ni akhir teng ini football tournament ka Independence Cup ka team yang kani football tournament ka dei youth is power bingi kwa ban promote ki youth po in and around penthon khra constituency te belengi formulate ya kani ka football tournament ru ka dei nak tu ka jingirap jingi bingirap macam senam ha tigi clubs ka beli akai ka SSA di clubs ka ban po penthon khra constituency te pi kenma yum macam senam hadin ba kadang dak tu COVID-19 kadang kajing kenyat kajing delay mo bikin yo SSA ban organize tigi divisions nadu ki 4th division, 3rd division, 2nd division, 1st division, ka super division. Ka super division ni dalam bakla kidang US dam mentahi. Te macam senam hak tu ka short span of time ki pentil ibar ka ki club baka 4th, 3rd, 2nd baka 1st kandan kini divisions. Te pi sungtu ibeki teams ki klamyo iru ban prepare ki squad jom. Te sakaweru macam senam ki penmi sakarun ba ki players bar kha di banai tangi vaccinated players te bun ki players macam senam ki klamyo iru ban participate aktu season te ngi shamba ba ki players ki beli akam macam senam firstly nomor ki klamyo ban practice ka fitness level jun ki kamdan and secondly bun ki teams ki kamdan proper coordination proper combination te bangin yo ban penbait ya kata hakani season ka banwan nomor ko bangi sotu moh kumnang ni na po ponthon khra constituency ka Mopat bakal nongosong kerana third division kalau siap kerana second the most probably ngatrai ke season ini kan sedang Oktober tinggi formulate ya kini ka tournament ru bang ikwa ba kena ki players kini ka game time the registration jong ki players kan dei ho banai June ka tournament ngin start ho banai July but ka final ngin abu ba kan dei ha santri August kali ki Independence Day takadaw yang akhir tengka Independence Cup tinggi la ya ka tu ngi sutu ba ka dei ka free entry te tanglai po atli ki teams kadang duna plat te ngi kampun junsur no kanja te nakalai po atli ki teams ngak sha be arsha bikin ya participate te total team semta bandan hakani ka tournament ki bala ban ethap bala ban register ki dai hadu drip south league teams te ko ki team kala ban register khan ringut ki player bat laingut ni gitu ki di bandai bet mandatory ki under 18s boleh ibu lang ki under 18s ni nomor ngi mo kam dum mention ni ka kerteng jugi club ngi atli ki scan guli jang tiki club macam senam ki deki under 18s kidang deki bidang class 11 but ka performance ki ka long very good long ki li ka bah tinggi dan kamban promote komite ki under 18s ti takdaw ikwa bakandan ka equal blend of players kindan lang ki belakam rang ba kindan lang ki tiki age group ki ba somewhere between 20 to 25 but langut pada ki under 18s ki haban register